We had a wonderful day for Gigantamax Snorlax here in Oslo. Over 240 players showed up, so 6 full lobbies and then some. I used my level 50 Hundo Blissey and another level 40 Blissey, both with maxed out defense and spirit. For doing heavy damage, I used my level 40 Machamp with maxed out Dynamax attack. Since most of my attendees came well prepared, I did not have to use the healing properties of Blissey, but went straight to Machamp to initiate the Dynamax attacks, and Snorlax went down quite easily.